Check out this 2022 Nissan Kicks. This Nissan Kicks packs a lot of fun into an efficient, compact package. Enjoy the benefit of its spacious interior, comfortable ride, ample cargo space, and touchscreen infotainment. It's big on safety too. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, heated mirrors, keyless start, backup camera, blind spot monitor, Bluetooth connection, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, pass-through rear seat. Enjoy the satisfaction of affordable comfort in this roomy Kicks. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.